Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change transmission fluid Hyundai Santa Fe. Begin by parking level and securing the car. Let the engine cool, then lift the front with jack stands. Remove the engine cover and locate the transmission pan. Drain fluid into a pan, then inspect for metal shavings. Replace the filter, clean the pan, and reinstall with a new gasket. Refill with manufacturer fluid to the proper level. Lower the drain plug slowly to avoid splashing, and let the fluid empty fully into a catch pan. While draining, check the fluid color and smell for burnt signs, and look for metal flakes that indicate internal wear. Remove the transmission pan and set aside. Clean the mating surface thoroughly to ensure a good seal. Keep used fluid for proper recycling at a disposal facility recommended by local regulations. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. A book that can change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I love its clear, no-nonsense advice. It pairs nicely with DIY mindset and saving for repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Install the new transmission filter securely, making sure the O-ring or gasket seats correctly. Reattach the pan with a new gasket and tighten bolts in a crisscross pattern to the specified torque to prevent leaks. Refill through the dipstick tube or fill port with the recommended ATF until the level reaches the proper mark. Start the engine, cycle gears to circulate fluid, then recheck the level and inspect for any leaks around the pan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.